wondering, are you in fact Australian at all by any chance, Val?
Oh dear, is my accent that strong?
Oh, no, it's just that you're quite tall, so I thought perhaps you would... Here we are, this is your room. Hope it's to your liking. View of the English Riviera down there behind the trees. This is your bathroom. Here we are. Oh, light's not working. I'll just fix it. Have you had a tiring journey?
7 hours in the coach. Is the dining room still open?
Well, the chef leaves at 9, I'm afraid. We can always do you sandwiches.
Oh, I'd like a hot meal, really. Is there a restaurant near here?
Well, there's an awfully good little Welsh place, Leek House, about 5 minutes walk. You'll have to go straight away.
Oh, that'll do fine.
Just turn left out of the gate and straight on, and it's on your right.